Good morning. My name is Jason, and today I'm going to talk about battery testing. There are many batteries, some that are maintenance free like this one, and others that could be serviced like this one. And this is the one I'm going to be using today. So this battery, you could use a hydrometer or a refractometer to maintenance the battery. This battery is a top terminal battery. This battery is a Group 27 size battery. It has 810 cold cranking amps. It has 140 reserve capacity. And this battery is from January 2021. Now, besides the hydrometer and the refractometer, there's many ways to test a battery. One of them is using a battery tester, and the other one's using a multimeter. So I'm going to use a multimeter to test this battery. So to set the multimeter, the first thing I'll do is I'll turn it on. I'll set it to 20 volts. I'm going to put the black lead onto the negative post. The red lead would go to the positive post. And before I do anything, I'm going to turn on the headlights for about 30 seconds to remove any static charge. After removing the static charge, a good battery should read between roughly about 10 to 12 volts. Right now it's testing at 12.22 volts. On key on, engine on, the battery should not drop below 10 volts, and it should be roughly about 13 to 15 volts when the engine is on. So the battery is reading at 14.20 volts. All in all, this is a good battery. The battery voltage with the key on, engine off was 12.22 volts. The battery voltage drop did not go below 10. It was at 10.75 volts. Key on, engine running was at 14.2 volts. And then in addition, this battery does not have any corrosion building up. It does not have any exposed wires, and it's not leaking from the battery caps. And that's how you would test a battery, using a multimeter.